by request, we have some navy, a navy group up, and hopefully I think this is what she's looking for. So we're going to start with a stripe. We know that stripes are really stylish right now. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven. Beautiful, just really beautiful. Pink. All these colors are just so hot and fresh right now, especially the pink, but all of them. The navy, the green, and the blend is just really beautiful. A blouse would be amazing. This fabric is got to be one of my all-time favorites. It is a solid, and it is a navy, and yet it's 100% viscose. It's a stretch woven, and the drape on this is fabulous. A pair of pants would be stunning. I would use either Sally's or the new one. You could do this, you could adjust the size and do this in a yoga pant. And but the new one, the 34, the 2 layers, 34, 24, but don't do the outside layer, just do the 1 layer. It would just be stunning. Beautiful piece of fabric. Same as this one right here. I just want to point this out now. The only difference is between the two is this has a texture to it like a crepe. This one is smooth. So just depending on kind of what you're looking for, both would be great suits. Both would be just really beautiful pieces of fabric. This one, not a lot left of it, but it's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's a knit. Just a really cute little top for spring. And then we have the navy polka dot. We've had this up. I just wanted you to bring some fabrics. We had sold all out of the navy that went with it. So this navy and white polka dot looks great with either of these 2 navies. This is 100% cotton and it's a woven. Again, great drape. And then this we have just a couple yards left. Again, this we've had up before. It's a dual border print. So we have the same thing on this side as we do on this side. And then the solid in the middle. The border portion, I would imagine, is about 12 inches. But again, great to do a skirt and a top, a dress, just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a woven. It's 100% viscose. Viscose is just good. It's just good in all different ways. It just is a really beautiful fabric. It's washable. It's just really wonderful. All right, so there we have it, our new little collection of navies. And the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.